EzNehem. Subscribe. And banana bread. Is she the flaxy different?
I don't need to get the second show.
Nah,
Into the end, I'm going to see her.
Ingredients. Banana bread. Chocolate. Baking powder. Is it tray and then coconut baking powder. Is some flaxseed like it is alcohol and a cinnamon and a coconut oil and a milk and a kudu.
And a nutmeg
and a nutmeg.
Okay.
I'm for winning boom.
Catch out to be a new Fagum. To was.
Mix it. The moment no way 1 cup. Half a cup. In a way.
They're being. I say they're dry. Apart from way, fat. They're
But they're dry. Yeah, my father ain't dry. When you're dry. But it's a good. If I did, that's a question.
I'm a child and a young Pacusiam Anya.
Because you eat kusia.
Banana and mission. Banana yeah, when you did a muya into my menu.
Let it come your hair. If the meat never give the baby by playing Amen. It's not interesting. When did the video maybe I should be alive? Yeah, that's it. That also become your house.